The Galaxy S23 series announcement date is already set for Feb 1, so we expect leak intensity to increase even more. In yesterday's leak, we saw a picture of dummies of the three phones. While not telling us much about their hardware, it gives us a good idea of their relative size. Also, the design is once again confirmed. There seems to be zero change in the S23 Ultra's body, while the smaller siblings adopt a rear panels in line with the top log with no camera island and only protruding camera lenses. But today, the folks over at WinFuture have now leaked what they say are official marketing pics from Samsung for the base Galaxy S23. WinFuture's Roland Quant aims to fix that with an exclusive new set of reasonably high-quality images described as official marketing pics, obtained directly from Samsung. There's absolutely no doubt in our mind these are totally, completely, 100% legit considering Quant's background and track record, not to mention the fact that the pictures look exactly as expected. These pictures show the phone from all the important angles. It also shows us just how much the individually placed rear camera sensors will stick out from the body. Thankfully, Samsung seems to have managed to keep the protrusion as small as possible, although the cameras are likely to still cause a wobble when the phone is sitting on a desk and used without being lifted up. As you would expect, the base Galaxy S23 has a flat front side and rounder corners. The Ultra model will once again have exclusivity over a curved screen, which may or may not be a good thing depending on your preference. The base Galaxy S23 is expected to be available worldwide in 4 colors: Botanic Green, Cotton Flower, Misty Lilac, and Phantom Black. There will also be a couple of exclusive colors, such as Light Green, Light Blue, and Light Red, for those who order it from Samsung's website, although it's unclear which options Samsung will provide in various markets and whether all 3 models will come in exclusive colors. Samsung has begun taking pre-reservations for the Galaxy S23 on its official website, and if you're interested, you can reserve one for yourself using this link. Are you going to reserve one for yourself? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Peace out.